All right. So today, Breydon's going to be doing an unboxing of the Team Associated DR10.
DR10 was the 1/10 scale ready to run.
Two-wheel drive electric drag race car.
It says something right there, but that's cursive, so I can't read it.
They don't teach that in school anymore, do they?
No, they say that it's like not really part of our school thing. But we got this RC car from this guy named John,
AKA Tuned Pipe.
Tuned Pipe.
Yeah. And what are you gonna say to him?
Thank you very much, because we actually thought we picked what car we picked, like the green car for the competition.
The what?
What car did we pick? The orange or green?
Orange was what you wanted.
Oh, okay. I kind of wanted green, but yeah.
Breydon actually told me to tell John thank you, but I said we'll do it in a video. That way he can tell him in person, kind of. Okay, so what's on the box there? We'll just go over the box real quick. I already cut it open for him, so I had to take a peek at it.
Should I break all these?
No. There's talking about the 12mm shocks.
These two we don't have to worry about.
Yeah, the water-cooled, or the water-resistant receiver box and ESC. It's like, who's going to drive this in the rain?
I know. Who would ever drive it in the rain?
Steel turnbuckles. What's the other thing? the CVA drive shafts. The wheelie bar.
Wheelie bar, I was about to say that.
All right. That's enough of the box.
Let's
see the car. Holy cow. I told you it was big, didn't I? Go bring the Creighton. Just go bring the Creighton. Let's do this.
It's as big as
just drag that bad boy out of there. Now, tell me that's a 1/10 scale drag car. Because that's a 1/8 scale monster truck. And that's a 1/10 drag car? I don't think so. Okay. Untie the... Do you need the clippers?
I think.
Come here and get the clippers.
Okay.
The blue handled ones.
These? Oh, no, sorry.
On this side.
I know. I was looking at the wrong thing.
You gotta squeeze the handles. Get them out of there. Squeeze the handles. I gotta glue that in yet. Let me have that. Okay. Now just snip that zip tie. And cut your finger.
Just making sure there's no buttons.
Now, is the car held in with anything?
Like yes.
Okay, take the body clips off.
I don't know how, really.
The body clips.
Oh, I know what to do.
No, take the... Well, yeah, I guess you could do that, but you
can...
No, just take the body clips off.
Oh, the body clips off.
Yeah.
I didn't know what you were saying. I was like, I thought you were talking about...
I said take the body clips off.
Now what about this? The zip tie. Actually, you know what? That's magnet. You got those back ones.
Okay, now take the body clips off and you should see the zip ties. Set them on top of the box. There's the zip ties.
Try not to cut anything right here except this.
That thing is cool. Look at that.
As soon as I said that, I found something I almost clipped. Oh, this is huge. Well, like, the whole chassis is big.
Yeah.
It's like... bigger than that little thingy over there.
You can pick the car out now.
Okay. Nope.
Yeah, they'll come out.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Just heavy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was picking up the back side. I was like, wait, I can't put it. Okay.
Oops, I had my finger in the way. Let me have those.
Yeah.
Look at that beast.
Those tires. Look at those. Whoa. That's just like amazing
I like
design.
those wheels. They look like the Magnum 500s from back in the 70s and 80s.
I know, they're just so cool. Got the wheelie bar. I don't know what that is. Okay, whatever. What's this for? Like, to just like go like that?
That's just side protection.
Oh. Got that. Got these.
There's actually a lot of parts you can 3D print for this, so we'll have to get the printer fired up and make some parts for it. Like the rear wing, we could change the wing if we wanted to.
You could probably even make, like, that part.
There's a really cool wheelie bar that Energy makes.
Yeah.
We might throw that on there. We don't know yet. And there's a different front splitter that goes on there. You take the bumper off and the front splitter mounts on there, so it keeps the air from going up underneath the body.
I was about to say what this was for, but...
The foam.
Yeah, the foam.
Does it come out?
I don't think it does. I know. I tried taking it out.
We'll see if it comes out.
It's not.
Is it stuck?
Yeah, it's like
Okay.
in there.
Oh, okay, I see. That's just a battery. That's to stop your battery. The battery goes all the way back.
Oh, that's what it was for.
The battery goes from there all the way to there, so you can put a long pack in there, or you can put a shorty pack in it.
Wait, this is the battery?
No, the battery lays in that tray you was just messing with. See the straps?
For a second, I thought something was going on.
Here, let me see it. Hand it here. Pretty cool. I can't believe I can't get over how big it is. This thing is a monster.
The design on this, for some reason.
So here's the whole car. I don't know anything about this. I haven't had a Team Associated car since the RC10B6, I think.
Yeah. This thing's crazy.
Back around 2000 something, early 2000.
Uh-oh.
It's got a Reedy servo in there.
This didn't work. And this looks like it's already been ran.
The Reedy ESC. No, it ain't been ran.
No. It's just messed up, I guess. There's this. I don't know if that's supposed to be attached, but...
Pretty cool car.
Yeah.
Say thank you, John.
Thank you, Tune Pipe John. Guy.
Tune pipe John. Let's see the body. I'm looking at you through the window.
Hello.
It's got some nice little window trim. I kind of like this rear wing.
I know, that's really good.
We'll have to change the license plate. Make it say something cool.
Wicked.
Team Associated.
Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Is there a license plate on the back?
Mm-hmm. Same as the one on the front.
Yeah, you should put Wicked on the back and then Frog on the front.
It's not my car, it's your car. 3,300 kV. That's funny because I thought that was open there at first. That's funny because that is where they normally put what size engines in the car.
Yeah.
But instead this has got an electric motor, so they put what size the electric motor is. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like that black hood.
I know. It's... Everything is awesome about it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. We'll have to get another one now so we can drag race them.
Yeah.
So,
Or we can
all right.
that Kyosho.
There you go. Yeah, we could turn that into a drag car, but look how much bigger that is.
I know.
We're going to have to get another one of these.
So this is pretty much our biggest car yet.
Yeah, that's the biggest car for sure. I cannot get over how big that thing is.
Okay, but put the thingy on.
You're missing the pins. It goes over that way.
I know, but it's like it's there we go. It's good enough. There we go.
Yeah, that's a gorgeous car.
Yeah.
I always loved the old Challengers.
Oh, what's this head right there? Okay. Well, a little short.
So maybe this is the new 1/10 scale, and that's a 10th scale too.
Yeah, this is a 10th scale.
Yeah,
This is a
bring that
1/8.
over here and put it next to it.
Because they're saying, oh, sorry. Accident. This is
I cannot get over that they're calling that. I don't know why they're calling that a 1/10 scale. It just does not make any sense. The wheelbase is too long. The car's too wide to be a 1/10 scale. It's just ridiculous.
This is a 1/8 scale, and it's almost bigger than that.
The car's actually bigger if you count the wing and everything, I think.
Yeah.
But it's pretty close to it.
And the thingy back here.
John had this up next to his or on his couch, and then he put the X-Max up there on the couch and took the picture in the same spot.
Yeah.
And they both look to be the same size. So this is about as big as an X-Max is almost.
Wow.
So yeah.
Well.
All right.
That was the video of the DR10 1/10. Yeah, right. 1/10 scale. Probably 1/7 scale if you were to count this with that.
It probably actually is about a 1/7. You're probably right. Either that or 1/6.
Yeah. But that was the DR10 unboxing. Thank you, John, so much for the car. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell when you hit subscribe. It'll turn everything on the subscribe.
Turn all the notifications on.
Yeah.
And and we're gonna do what tomorrow?
We're gonna run it.
We're gonna run it. We're gonna run that tomorrow.
I don't think so. What are we gonna do? Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna run this tomorrow out there in the cold.
Are you sure? Do you already have the engine and stuff?
Everything's in there. We gotta just put the battery in it and run it. We could go run it right now, but it's dark out.
Oh.
So I'll have to wait till tomorrow.
Oh, anyways, about the battery, what battery does it take? Battery.
2S or 3S.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, everybody, thanks for watching.
Hit the bell, subscribe, do stuff.
Do all that stuff.
And race RC cars.
Race RC cars. All right. All right. See you guys.